You've definitely had it, probably this year. It's the common cold caused mostly by rhinoviruses. Over 200 viruses can bring it on. It spreads like wildfire, through coughing, sneezing, even a handshake. And here's the shocker. There is no cure. Yep, no medicine can make it go away. That cough syrup, it just relieves symptoms. You'll still have the virus. It usually lasts 7 to 10 days, then your immune system kicks it out. But it doesn't give you lasting immunity. You can catch it again. Kids get it more like 6 to 10 times a year. Cold weather doesn't cause it, dry air and germs do. Best defense? Wash hands, sleep well, and don't touch your face. No vaccine, no cure, just patience. Follow at Hazy Facts for facts your brain will thank you for.